my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Lian from Resin Shine Creations. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I will make triangle coasters using these two lovely mica pigments. One is from Just For You Online UK and the other one is Calaberry. Also, I have prepared my gold leaf and I have here some crushed black glass, I guess, and I will add it in the middle. And also I will be adding in the middle this floating gold. And yeah, I already put my gold leaf in because I had bits and pieces lying in the shelf, so I decided to use them all. And now I'm starting to divide the resin and will be adding the lovely pigments. So today I am using resin from Vista, and it's a local company here in UK that makes them and sells them, and this resin is called Rapids. And basically the reason why I'm using this resin is because when I bought it a while ago, I bought it 7 kilos and it was quite cold at the time, and the part A went all crystallized. So I had to put it in the hot bath several times because it's a big a piece of bucket, and it took me a couple days to get it back to the normal state. And then I put it away, and the next day I noticed again it's starting to crystallize. So I just decided to try to use it as fast as possible, and yeah, probably will never buy it again. I don't want to say like that, it's just I have bought resin from Vista, and my personal experience always been involving some kind of little issues that honestly I don't want to deal anymore. Anyway, back to the video. I am starting to pour my resin, and this resin is on the thicker side, so it's nice and stays in the place. So I'm going smoothly around the edges, and I try to pour as evenly as I can. So anyway, I will put some music now in the background and let you enjoy this pour, and I come back to you in a bit. So yeah, this time I decided to do things a bit more different and see how they will work or will not work. So instead of putting the edge color and then followed by other color, I decided to add the transparent in the middle and then add the second color. So just a bit of information. And yes, now I'm adding the middles and making them neat, so after I can proceed with the next color. And now, in the very end, I am adding this floating gold in my centers, and it is just because I'm not sure which is going to be the good side for the coasters, and I know how the center gold leaf can sink or disappear on the other side. I decide to add some floating gold, so for sure there is going to be some accent in case I will decide to use these sides. And after that I just cover them and let them cure. And this is the next day and they are nice and cured. And yeah, it's time to unmold. So let's have a look what we have. Oh, okay. That is not too bad at all. My apologies for my camera. I don't know, it was playing a bit up on this unmolding part. And yeah, so this side is like this, but that side it's quite interesting and funky, I would say. I didn't expect at all that this blue would stay like that after how I poured it. But yeah, I like how these colors came together, and I think with a nice finish of gold edge, they gonna look really nice. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do, and I will show you the end result shortly. And there we have beautiful triangle coasters. Honestly, this shape I like a lot. So, if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.